Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X10 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to open the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to find the build number, which is, as you can see, at the very bottom, and it may be quite confusing, but thanks to the build number we can actually activate the developer options. And in order to do that we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Did we activate it or not? As you can see, we did not. It just freezed a little bit. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the information that right now we are a developer. So let's go back to the general settings and enter the system. And the developer options will be almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show the pointer location or visual feedback for taps. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, because as you can see we've got also the USB configuration here, we've got the Wi-Fi options, we've got the system tracing, feature flags, and so on and so on. So really a lot of advanced options. So basically all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to simply tap on the switcher on it, of course, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off in the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open more options, more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options and if you'd like to turn them off, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, the developer options should disappear from the system settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Nokia X10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.